Welcome to the Hygge Haus, a home that redefines luxury by removing everything unnecessary. This is not a display of excess, but a study in restraint, where Scandinavian minimalism is elevated to its most sophisticated form. Every line, material, and shadow is intentional, proving that true opulence is not loud, but deeply felt. Here, comfort becomes architecture, and serenity becomes the ultimate status symbol.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The front façade of the Hygge Haus introduces its philosophy with quiet confidence. Clean Nordic geometry is expressed through pale limestone surfaces and vertical oak slats, softened by expansive glass planes. The structure feels grounded yet weightless, modern yet timeless. Subtle contrasts between light and shadow reveal the precision of craftsmanship, while warm interior light gently escapes, signaling comfort rather than spectacle. This entrance does not demand attention, it earns it through balance, proportion, and material honesty. Inside, the living room unfolds as a sanctuary of volume and calm. Double-height ceilings and floor-to-ceiling glass dissolve boundaries between interior and landscape. The palette remains restrained, warm oak floors, stone textures, and soft textiles, allowing light to sculpt the space throughout the day. Furniture sits low and deliberate, emphasizing openness rather than occupancy. This room is designed not to impress at first glance, but to reward prolonged presence with comfort, clarity, and quiet grandeur. The master bedroom continues the narrative of understated indulgence. Natural linen, textured stone, and warm wood tones create a cocoon-like atmosphere, free from distraction. Large windows frame the outside world without overwhelming intimacy, while indirect lighting enhances softness and depth. Nothing here is ornamental, every element serves rest, privacy, and emotional calm. The result is a space that feels deeply personal, refined, and restorative, a retreat designed for genuine escape. The kitchen is a study in precision and restraint. Handleless cabinetry in oak and muted gray forms a seamless backdrop to a sculptural stone island. Integrated appliances disappear into the architecture, allowing materiality to lead. Matte black fixtures introduce contrast without dominance. This is not a kitchen designed for display, but for ritual, where function, craftsmanship, and aesthetic discipline meet in perfect equilibrium. Above the living space, the mezzanine offers perspective, both literal and conceptual. Floating stairs and glass balustrades maintain visual continuity, while soft concrete and wood anchor the design. This level feels neither isolated nor exposed, instead acting as a contemplative bridge within the home. Light travels freely, reinforcing openness while preserving intimacy. The mezzanine is proof that circulation spaces can be moments of beauty, not just movement. The bathroom transforms daily routine into ritual. Limestone walls, a monolithic stone tub, and warm oak vanities evoke a Nordic spa sensibility. Lighting is soft, directional, and deliberate, creating depth and tranquility. Fixtures remain minimal, allowing materials to speak. This space prioritizes stillness over spectacle, encouraging pause, reflection, and renewal. Luxury here is not indulgence, it is presence. The front yard extends the home's architectural language into the landscape. Clean pathways, low Nordic vegetation, and sculptural trees create a composed yet natural approach. Integrated lighting introduces drama after dusk without excess. Every element reinforces harmony between structure and environment, ensuring the house feels placed, not imposed. The arrival experience is calm, intentional, and quietly memorable. The rooftop reveals a more expansive dimension of the Hygge Haus. Wood decking, restrained greenery, and panoramic openness offer a private escape above the world below. Glass railings preserve uninterrupted views, while sunset light introduces warmth and contrast. This space is not about entertainment, but reflection, a place to breathe, observe, and reconnect with the horizon. The working room embodies focused elegance. A custom oak desk, built-in shelving, and textured walls create an environment of calm productivity. Natural light is carefully framed, while artificial lighting enhances clarity without harshness. This is a workspace designed for depth, not distraction, proving that productivity thrives best in spaces that respect the mind. The backyard is a seamless extension of the interior philosophy. Stone surfaces, a sunken seating area, and a raw concrete fire feature create warmth without ornament. Glass walls dissolve the boundary between inside and out, encouraging fluid living. At night, subtle lighting transforms the space into a quiet retreat, intimate, grounded, and deeply human. The Hygge Haus is not defined by grandeur, but by discipline. It proves that true luxury lies in precision, comfort, and emotional resonance. Through restraint, material honesty, and thoughtful light, this home delivers an experience that feels timeless rather than trendy. In a world of excess, Hygge Haus chooses calm, and that choice changes everything.